Okay, y'all. Once again, this is Bill K8OB doing a quick instructional video on how to program 2-meter and 440 meter bands on the IC7000. And well, let's get started here. First of all, you got to make sure your menu section is selected, and you got to be on the M2 function, and you get there. There's M1, M2, M3, whatever, and you long press. That's S1, S2, S3. You don't want to be on that. Long press. Here's this function here. You don't want to be on that. Long press. Okay, now you got M1, M2, M3. Okay, there's M1. There's M2. Now, what you want to do to program, you want to make sure you're in VFO mode. So up here is showing that I am. Okay, there I'm not. I'm in memory mode. There's no memory programmed here. So here's VFOA. So moving forward, you can use your microphone. Hit enter down here, and then you can program your station in. Your frequency. Mine is 147.220. Then you hit, well, you gotta put all the zeros in there to make it a complete station. And you hit enter again. So now that's programmed in there, right? But I'm still in VFO mode, and I still have not programmed in the tone. So I'm going to hit the menu button, hit the tone button, long press it. What is the tone? You got to look in your repeater book. The tone is 100. Okay, program the 100 in there, back out of it, hit the menu button. The plus and minus, that's the duplex that you see there. It's either plus or minus. You can hit that down here. It's either nothing, or it's minus, or it's plus. So you're good there. So you want to back out of that, hit the menu button again. Back out of that. You want to make sure that you are on FM with the tone displayed. Because if you don't have the tone displayed, you will not get into the repeater unless it doesn't call for a tone. So that's one thing that you want to make sure that you have is the tone in there. So, and also, I'm going to write this to memory. So I'm going to hit the menu button here. And this is memory write. Okay, that's what the MW stands for, memory write. And you long press it. Okay, now it just wrote that menu. All that info went down to A10 on the memory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to key it up. See what happens. And, okay, the tone wasn't selected again. Okay, tone's on now. That's my bad. My fault. Tone was not on, so here we go. Hear that repeater? One more time. So I'm getting into the repeater right now. Just to let you know, you got to make sure that tone is lit up right there. Because if it just says FM, you will not get in there if it requires a tone. So just so everybody knows. Right there. That will get you into the repeater. All right, K8OB out.